Hello students, this is math class by B. Datha Prasad and today's class is for ninth class, that is real numbers, and we are discussing part 9, which is representing irrational numbers on number line. Take an example. Locate root 2 on number line. How to locate root 2 on number line? Root 2 is an irrational number, we know already. For that, to represent any irrational number on number line, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Do you know Pythagoras theorem? So let us discuss the Pythagoras theorem. So this is the definition. In a right angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. In a right angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse, that is equal to sum of the squares of the lengths of other two sides. Okay, uh, let us discuss in the diagram. See there, this is a right angle triangle, and where is the right angle triangle? Here is the right angle triangle. See there, this is the symbol of right angle. And now in right angle triangle, let us give name to this triangle A, B, C. And in this triangle, what is hypotenuse generally? The side opposite to right angle. This is right angle. This is opposite to the, this side is, what is this side? AC. AC is opposite to B. So AC is hypotenuse, like this. This is hypotenuse. And this is, and means BC is altitude. And AB is the side which is we treat as B base. We can assume this as base, which is BC as base. If you assume like that, then AB is altitude. If AB is base, then BC is altitude. But hypotenuse does not change. So I hope you understand about this right angle triangle. Now coming to Pythagoras theorem, and we are applying that theorem. So what is the theorem? The square of the length of the hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Square means hypotenuse is here AC, and square of hypotenuse is AC square, like this. That equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Means other two sides are this one and this one. So first side is AB square and second side is BC, and we are doing sum of. So we use plus and PC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem, and you have to remember very perfectly. So square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. Like this you have to remember. Okay, right now we have to indicate, yes, we have to indicate a given irrational number as hypotenuse and assume altitude as 1 unit always. After that we have to find out base. To represent root 2 on the number line, so this is we have to represent. So this must be hypotenuse always. This is the point here. We have to indicate, let us take another ink. So here we have to indicate given irrational number as hypotenuse. Means this is hypotenuse. Means AC is hypotenuse root 2. And assume, see there, assume altitude 1 unit always. This altitude, this is 1 unit. It should be ink is very light, I think. So change the color. So this one is altitude, and we have to keep always 1 unit. And this one is hypotenuse, so we have to take this irrational number. Then we have to find out this base. Okay, let us assume here AC equal to root 2 and BC equal to 1. Catch my point? Then we know already this point is. Now we apply Pythagoras theorem here. What is Pythagoras theorem? AB square plus AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now see here, just write root 2 in place of AC, and in place of BC you have to write 1 like this. AB square plus BC in place of BC we have to write 1. So 1 square. Now this square, this root gets cancelled, we get 2 only. That equal to AB square plus 1 square is 1. Now AB square is equal to, this 1 comes outside, so it becomes 2 minus 1. Okay. What is AB square now? AB square is equal to 2 minus 1. How much? 1. Right. What is the AB now? That is directly you can say this is actually it is root 1. So no need to worry here. Root 1 is nothing but 1. Okay. Right. Now we found AB, BC and AC. Okay, Nana? Now this is the time to locate root 2 on number line. Okay. So how should we locate? Like this. Take a number line like this, horizontal and vertical line. Indicate at some distance from this place, which is, this is the center. This is center. From this place take certain distance, not 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters like that. Take certain distance and make same distance, make another point with same distance like this. This length must be equal. This length must be equal. Okay. 3, 4, 5 like this. I am erasing these lines here for clear vision. Yes. Now I'm taking again pen. So, and vertically also you have to keep same distance like this. 1, 2. Okay. Now our point is, first of all we have to take base. Base how much? Just now we got AB. AB is equal to how much we got? 1 unit, isn't it? So take 1 unit. Then altitude BC, that equal to how much? 1 unit again. This altitude always 1 unit. So this is 1 unit I have written already. Now how should we write altitude? Like this, you have to keep a protractor and take a point here at 90 degrees like this, and remove this protractor and draw like this. You follow? Are you following? Yes. 1 unit. Now join. This is 1 unit, and then join. This is AC. This is A. This is sorry, it's not writing properly. ABC is the triangle. Just we assumed now. So we know already this is root 2. This is 1 unit, and we found AB as 1. So now I delete all these numbers here. No need to write ABC always, and just we have done already. So no need to write. If you write, that's also no problem. Now like this you have to write. How to draw this one? Take a compass and keep that compass here at this place, and keep pencil here at this place, and draw like this. You have to draw an arc. This arc cuts here. See there? Here. Okay? That is root 2. Why? Because, see, observe here, we are keeping compass in this place. Okay? It means we are drawing like this. Means we are taking radius as. How much radius we took? Root 2. This length is root 2 already. You know. So then this length is also equal. See there? Blinking. Both are equal. So like root 2. Okay? I'm just coming back side. So this point is root 2. Just now this is located. Okay? Catch my point? Any doubts? Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask me in WhatsApp. Right. Now, coming to next point, we are moving to representing a rational number on number line again. We are discussing another example. Locate root 3 on number line. Similar method we have to take in previous session, like root 2. So, we have to assume this root 3 as a hypotenuse in the right angle triangle, and we have to assume altitude altitude this takes very time. Altitude mm, equal to, sorry, 1 unit. Altitude is always 1 unit, and this irrational number always as hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Okay, I'm repeating this process, previously said process. So I'm erasing these all indications. Okay, right, right. Uh, Solution is like this already. Already I have said we have to locate this root 3 here. Okay, right angle triangle ABC, and this is hypotenuse, and we have to keep AC as root 3, and this is altitude, and this one must be 1 unit altitude, and this one is base, and we have to find out always this value. Okay, we have to find out base. So what is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and we have to indicate given irrational number as hypotenuse, and already as said already, just it is written here. Here AC equal to root 3, like this I said. BC equal to 1. Now we have to find out AB. We have to find out always AB only. Okay. Now just substitute here. I think your understanding. Just I'm doing this. AB square plus BC means 1 square. So we give 3 here. Gives 2 and the square root gets cancelled. We have 3 that equal to AB square plus 1. So now AB square is equal to plus 1 goes that side, becomes 3 minus 1, like this. Okay. Now AB square is equal to 2. Now AB is equal to square. We have to write AB square is equal to 2. Sorry, AB is equal to root 2, like this. Means we have to locate first root 2 in the, on the number line, like this. We have already done this part in previously we have completed already. Now we are continuing from this. Okay, now take this is root 2 as base. This is A and this is B. So we have to draw base first. Just now we found AB as root 2. This is the length root 2. Now we have to take altitude from here, like this. Just it is gone wrong. Just I am erasing this one. So see there. For that we have to take a protractor and indicate 90 degrees and remove that one and draw altitude. How much? 1 unit. Okay. Then we have to join this A to this one, like this. How much it becomes? This is root 2. From A, B is root 2. B, C is, this is C, is 1. Then this is root 3. It looks some different. Okay, I'm erasing this one. Right. This is root 3. Okay. Now we should take a compass here and keep it here, keep the compass here, and we have to keep the pencil here only. Then draw like this. This arc cuts this number line here. Means this is root 3. This gives root 3. That point, indicate that point, and that is, see here, both are equal. This, if this is root 3, this is also root 3. That's it. Very easy to learn, very easy to indicate these irrational numbers on number line. Catch my point? Take another example. Locate root 10 on number line. Again, we have to take same right angle triangle, and right angle is there here. Now A, B, C indicate like this, and what is that? Hypotenuse. And next, this is altitude, and finally this is base. Okay. Now what is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now we have to indicate given irrational number as hypotenuse and assume altitude as 1 unit always. This is we have to remember very much. Okay. Now just I've said this irrational number is always hypotenuse AC, and altitude is always 1 unit BC. Okay. Now coming to problem, we have to find out AB. Okay. Now see there, I'm finding just moving fast. I'm see there, AB square is equal to 10 minus 1. We get AB square is equal to 9. Then it becomes root 9. Then finally we got AB as 3. Means we have to indicate 3 units on the number line. See there, we have to indicate all the numbers with equal distance points. Like this, we have to take 3 points. Do you observe? From the origin, you have to take 3 units. Why should we take 3 units? Just now we got 3 units as AB. And now keep the protractor here and indicate 90 degrees and remove it and draw like this. And then this is 1 unit always. Okay, now join. Yes, you are following, I think. And we have to keep your compass here, and pencil should be here, and draw like this. Means this is root 10. This is hypotenuse. If this is root 10, so this is also from here to here. Okay, see there, I am indicating how much it is, root 10 only, because both are radii, both are equal. Just I am removing all these numbers. Right, I am taking pen again. Right, now this is, oh, uh, not this one, it must be from here to here also. Okay, just a small mistake, don't mind. You have to indicate like this. Okay, now this is root 10, like this. Finally we concluded.